Hi, this is Don with Cowboy Biker Adventures. This week's episode I have for you Thousand Trails Oceana Beach and RV Park. Yes, this smaller Thousand Trails Park has its own beach, which is pretty neat. In today's episode, I also have drone footage of the beach and also of the RV park. So let's get started. I think you're gonna like it. Okay, let's go check out the beach here at Ocean City RV Park. I will let people camp out here. Okay. I don't know. Don't think it can be more than a quarter mile to the beach or less. Spruce must be. Smells like a Christmas tree. Look at that. That's a kid's dream. Used to try to find places like that when I was a kid. You know, forts and all. I bet many kids played in there. Sun did come out. I don't see a cloud in the sky here. It's only 3:20 p.m. It's supposed to come out by 5, so it did it. Even did it a little earlier. Good deal. I want to fly my drone if I can. It'll let me take off without restrictions, and it is further than I thought it would be. Definitely. I was expecting to be there by now. Flags and sign or symbols. I'm sure beachgoers know what all that means a lot better than I do. Finally. And it's still out there a ways. This is probably all the stuff that's washed up on shore and got collected. You can see a little bit of fog rising off the water. Steam or whatever you want to call it. I think it's about 64 degrees, at least back in my RV. This is okay. Obviously the tide's out. I don't think it's blowing too hard. I think I can fly my drone. Hopefully it makes their e-bikes off really well, because they're out there in the water. Now I think the water, I don't know where it comes to at high tide. Haven't seen that yet. Obviously not this high. I know that I've already entered the area where the water comes up to high tide. Of course it can. Fog, steam, and dark. Go touch the water. And I'll get my pant legs wet, hopefully. Leave my feet there so I don't get wet this time. Here it comes. Oh. I'm at it now. See? Well, water's going back out, so it's not worth showing you.
Alright, let's show you a panoramic view. That's looking to the north. Remember, this is Ocean City Beach at the Thousand Trails RV Park in Ocean City. There you go. See if we can get the waves coming in a little bit. There you go. That's cool. Feels good. That's where I'm coming from over there. Kids having fun.
The credits are about ready to roll, but I want to encourage you to stick around after the credits for bonus video. Today I have drone footage of this beach and also drone footage of the Oceana Thousand Trails RV Park. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. If you would do it now, I would appreciate it. So don't go anyplace, we're not done yet. Thank you for sticking around for bonus video. First up is drone footage of the beach in the Pacific Ocean, followed by aerial views of the RV park. Next is area drone footage of the RV park. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.